Miss Molly was even there too.
You ready? It's a little slowed down. You got it. 5, 6, right foot. Toe, heel, toe, heel. We switch. Again. Then right foot 8 times. 1, 2. Twist it. 5, 6. Step to your right. Swing your elbows. Right arm. Left. Jump left. Right. To the front. Right. Left. Woo! Right arm up and throw. Then we twist. Then we step over. Then we brush. 2, 3. Sit into your hip. Right arm circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull. Then we go right, left. Step left. Great job. Let's go faster.
Peggy Sue, good golly, Miss Molly was even there too.
Ready? It's fast. Foot 1, toe heel. 5, 6, 7, go. One more. 8, 2, 3, 4. Step out to your right. Swing. Right arm. Left, right, corner to corner. Front. Woo! Step and throw. Twist. Then brush. Hips. Take that right arm around. 6, 7, go. Right, left. Step past. Holy moly. Fantastic.
Miss Molly was even there too. Splish, splash, I forgot about the bath. I went and put my dancing shoes on, yeah.